Good morning, students. Yesterday we have learned what are the polygons and angles. Today we will learn what is triangle. Triangle is a closed figure and it has three sides 1, 2 and 3. It is a closed figure and it is drawn by straight line segment. It means this triangle is also a polygon. Now here we have a triangle STU. Yesterday we learned what are the angles where two line segment make a corner that is an angle. So in this triangle STUV, this side ST and side UT, where they meet a common point T, this two line segment make an angle. So how do we write this angle STU? Write an angle STU because T is the vertex where side ST and side UT meet at a common point. Now the another line segment TS and line segment US, where these two line segment meet, they also make an angle. So we can write this angle as TSU. TSU. Now the next one is this line segment TU and line segment SU, where these two line segment meet, they make an angle, and we read this angle as angle SUT. You can read this angle SUT. If we observe all these three angles, in first angle T is the vertex, in second angle X is the vertex, in third angle U is the vertex. So in triangle we have three angles: angle STU, angle TUS and angle UST. How many angles we have? 1, 2, 3. Now listen carefully. In this triangle STU, it is an angle, or you can read this as only angle T. Now this is a vertex T, or you can say it is angle STU. एंगल STU के अपोजिट साइड में क्या है? साइड SU. एंगल STU के अपोजिट साइड में क्या है? एंगल STU के अपोजिट साइड में क्या है? साइड SU. सिमिलरली एंगल S के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? साइड TU. एंगल TSU की अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? साइड TU. एंड सिमिलरली एंगल SUT, एंगल SUT, इस एंगल की अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? साइड ST. If I asked, tell me the opposite angle of the side ST. साइड ST का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? डेफिनेटली द एंगल SUT. हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं साइड ST का अपोजिट एंगल UTS है? नो, इट इज अ एडजेसेंट साइड. सो द अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ दिस साइड ST इज U. Opposite angle of side SU is this angle T, and opposite angle of this side TU is angle S. Now tell me, can we draw diagonals in this triangle? We cannot draw diagonals in this triangle because vertex S के opposite कोई opposite vertex है? No, because ST are the adjacent vertex, SU are adjacent vertex. So in a triangle there are no opposite vertices for any vertex, so we cannot draw a diagonal in triangle. Now a triangle also has an exterior and interior. It is a triangle SUV. T. Along with this side, the inside area is known as interior of the triangle. It is the interior of this triangle. Along with this side, the inside area is known as interior of the triangle, and this outside area of the triangle is known as exterior of the triangle. Now this is point X, it is point Z, here the point A. Now this point X and point Z are which point? These are the exterior point, and this point A is interior point because it is inside of this triangle. Now the last point, that is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a closed figure, a four-sided closed figure. Quadrilateral means what? Four-sided closed figure. For example, square, rectangle are the types of quadrilateral. There are so many types of quadrilateral that we will learn in the second term. Now here I have a figure. This is a quadrilateral. It is four-sided closed figure. I name this quadrilateral as X, Y, W, X, Y, Z. Now if you observe, it is vertex. This closed figure is formed by four vertex. Vertex W, vertex X, vertex Y, and vertex Z. In previous video, we have learned what are the adjacent side and opposite sides, what are adjacent vertex and opposite vertex. Now tell me, in this figure, W, what are the pairs of opposite vertices? If you observe vertex W and vertex Y, these two vertices are opposite to each other. So the pair of opposite vertices, vertex W and vertex Y. And one more pair of the opposite vertices, vertex Z and vertex X. These two vertices are opposite to each other. Now, which are the opposite side? Side WZ and side XY are the opposite sides, and side YZ and side XW are the opposite side. Now, today we will learn opposite angles. Opposite angles. Now, what is the angle? When two line segments make a corner, it means this line segment ZW and line segment XW, they make an angle. Where these two line segments meet each other, they make an angle. So every quadrilateral has four angles. Now in this quadrilateral, angle XWZ, angle WZY, where angle is here. Third one is angle ZYX. Here it is a angle. And the fourth angle is angle YXW, where it is a angle. So in every quadrilateral there are four angles. Now first I will explain. First we will learn what are the opposite angle. Now it is the angle XWZ. Write the first angle, angle XWZ. It means this angle. तो इस एंगल का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? कैन वी से इट इज अपोजिट एंगल? नो, ये इसके अपोजिट नहीं, ये इसके साइड में है. दिस एंगल इज ऑल्सो W के साइड में है, तो W के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है? दिस वन. सो एंगल XWZ का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? दिस वन. सो व्हाट इज द अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ XWZ? दैट इज XYZ. एंगल XYZ. Now, ये दोनों, these two are the pairs of opposite angles. Now, which two are remaining? This one and this one. Now, let's write angle WZY. Angle WZY. Now, angle WZY, इस एंगल का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? एग्जैक्टली दिस वन. सो एंगल WZY का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? WXY. That is WXY. So in a quadrilateral we have two pairs of opposite angle. एंगल W का अपोजिट एंगल कौन सा है? एंगल Y. एंगल Z का अपोजिट कौन सा है? एंगल X. नाउ वी विल लर्न एडजेसेंट एंगल. Adjacent angle. We have learned what are the adjacent sides and adjacent vertices. Adjacent side means what? When two sides have a common point. जब दो sides को common point होता है, means side XW and side ZW का common point कौन सा है? W. So these two sides are known as adjacent side. Similarly, adjacent vertices means what? When two vertex have a common side. जब दो vertex की common side होती है, that two vertices are known as adjacent vertices. Similarly, adjacent angle means what? When two angles have a common side. जो दो angles को एक common side होती है, that two angles are known as adjacent angle. For example, in this quadrilateral, angle XWZ and angle YZW. कौन से दो एंगल बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे? एंगल W एंड एंगल Z. इन दोनों एंगल को कॉमन साइड है? यस. विच कॉमन साइड? साइड WZ. सो दीज टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट एंगल. विच टू साइड? एंगल XWZ एंड एंगल YZW. बिकॉज ये दोनों एंगल्स को ये कॉमन साइड है. Similarly, you have to write remaining 3 pairs of adjacent angle. Thank you.